So far, we've just talked about recording actual expenditures and actual income. Now let's go to a budgeting mode. So to do that, we're going to go to the Plans tab. And here, we see here that this page is optional. That means that it's not critical that you do a budget, but it is a good idea. But the budget or the plan is not as important as recording your actual transactions. So examples of plans are, we look at, first of all, recording your income. It could be a main job, child tax benefits, part-time job, or it could be accounted pension, old age security, RIF income, or we could be looking at a summer job, babysitting, different types of jobs that you want to record. But let's just look at three in our case. In this case here, we have a job at Denny's, and that pays us about $1,000 every 2 weeks. We also are enjoying Uber. That's kind of a fun job to make some extra money, and that pays us about $300 and about every week. And throughout the year, we know we do various odd jobs. We anticipate we're going to be earning about $2,000 in the whole year. And what we see on the monthly average, of course, the white cells are for input, the colored cells are all the calculations. We have a monthly average calculated for every job, and we also have a running total, which shows that we're earning about $3,607 for all those jobs for 1 month.